story say me need money to start with one car. And the line me I tell you, you know, I just need some money for just save my life.
That's a number one lie. So you come back with number two now. All if I chew you they talk about man in prison. That not have nothing to do with me. The people them want back their money at the bank. All them all get it.
Me go work triple. Me go work hard and pay back. It might take forever, but I go pay back.
Sky, you remember? Sky, you remember the day when you come to me for the money, it's like you're demanding and a bad in your feet, and you tell me how anybody you borrow money from, you go this and you go that. Sky, you come back with one another story again, you feel so you can't tie up my head.
No, not this time. This time I be genuine. Like, for those say, be afraid that my mother know you.
What funny little dirty girl come fake ball in front of me with her wicked evil cross itself again? Look for you.
Sorry.
You're sorry?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, say me never dead when you say the man come kill me and that you're sorry about.
I never did that thing, frustration.
You never think?
I never did that thing.
You never think?
I never